So what we're going to do is this, saying calculate an estimate of the gradient of the curve at the point where x is 2. So where x is 2, we go with this positive 2, right? Where it is touching, right here, okay? We put a point. Then after that, we draw a line, all right? Where 2 is, we go up here, we draw a line. So what I'm talking about is this. We have been told that where x is 2. So if I follow this one, my x is here. So it will be x, 40. I mean, that is 2, 40. That's the point. All right. So now they want us to find the gradient. So I'm trying to estimate the gradient. So what I'll do, I'll draw a straight line more like a tangent. Then I pick another point for me to find the gradient. All right. So this is my line that I've drawn that touches this point. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I have this point which is 2, 40 from the 2 that we have been given. Then I'm also going to pick this because this line is touching up to that point. So I'll pick this point. All right. So I'll go with this. That will be, because I'm estimating, right? So to be 4, then if we had the point here, that would have been our 80. So I'll just go 4, 80 like that. Then I use these 2 points to find the gradient. So this is question, that's part 2. That is part 2b. Okay, so before we do that, let's go back to part 1a, part 1b. For part 1b, we found our values of x is equal to this one. Our value of x is -2 and 10. So we say x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 10. All right, then we go to part 2b. Part 2b, or part 2a. Part 2a, we're going to say gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then we use those 2 points. So I have my gradient is equal to, my y2 is 80. So I'll say 80 minus, my y1 is 40. So 80 minus 40 over my x2 is 4. So 4 minus my x1 is 2. So now I say my gradient is equal to 80 minus 40, I get 40, over 4 minus 2 is 2. Then I say 40 divided by 2, I get my gradient will be 20. So my estimated gradient will be 20 for that point.